Chocolate begins as a remarkable food made from cacao beans, which are transformed through several carefully controlled steps before becoming the smooth treat enjoyed around the world. Its appeal comes from a combination of rich flavors, unique textures, and natural compounds that interact with our senses in pleasant ways. The process starts when cacao trees produce pods containing beans, surrounded by sweet fruit pulp. Farmers remove the beans and allow them to ferment for several days, creating chemical changes that develop the deep flavors associated with chocolate. After fermentation, the beans are dried and prepared for transport to manufacturing facilities. At the factory, the beans are roasted to enhance their aroma and flavor even further. The roasted beans are cracked and separated from their outer shells, leaving small pieces called nibs. These nibs are ground into a thick substance known as chocolate liquor, which contains both cocoa solids and cocoa butter. Manufacturers blend this material with ingredients such as sugar, milk, or additional cocoa butter, depending on the desired style of chocolate. The mixture is refined and mixed for extended periods, creating a smoother texture and more balanced flavor. A final process called tempering carefully controls temperature, allowing stable crystal structures to form within the cocoa butter. When chocolate melts in your mouth, the cocoa butter softens near body temperature, releasing flavors and aromas that travel to your senses. This combination of chemistry, craftsmanship, and agricultural work transforms simple cacao beans into one of the world's most beloved foods. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.